Because when I shout, maybe all of them will be alarmed.
No, no, just go.
Okay, guys. Try to look at this situation. This is all situational. What do you think is the reason why we need the JSA key in this situation? Employee safety. What is the most potential hazard there?
Because of the lifting object.
Falling. Falling.
You got it. Falling to whom? See this guy. Is this the right position? Oh, why you need the barricade? Now we go back now to the barricade. Is to prevent somebody from what? Entering your workplace.
Yeah.
Pare, who is this guy? Probably he's the rigger. Is this acceptable or not? It is acceptable. This is what you call the tagline. The tagline will hold or control your load. Because it's especially if there's a wind or whatever. Because that direction. You still have chair there, guys. Just grab a chair and maybe come in closer.
That's okay.
Are you okay with that?
Yeah.
Fine, fine. So, this will hold, no? This is to control. We are preventing somebody to get killed. It can cause really one time fatality. Yes, fatality. Who are these guys?
Supervisor.
Maybe, unlike the safety, maybe this safety only watching, no? The problem we have here, if we have fatality, what happens now to your work? Duty.
Stop permanent.
Total staff loss until the incident investigation plan. Right?
Yes.
So the first step, do you know the first step here? Is prepare the lifting area. Right? When you say prepare the lifting area, first step, what are you going to do? What are the hazards? No, let's start with the hazard. You are only preparing the area. We don't have the lift yet.
Falling hazards.
Maybe electrical cables. Power line
Maybe
outside.
see electrical labels. Because when you say preparing the work area,
Removing the unwanted.
because you usually that. No, if you will prepare the area, you are preparing to the area, right?
I mean, this point of
Anything, maybe the material to be lifted there. Okay. If you will prepare the area, you are referring to your barricade, entering of this crane. If you will, if the meaning, this is the big hazard when you prepare the area. The mobile equipment. It is moving, right? So what is the solution? Oh, the rigger. The rigger should be here positioning the crane. That is the work of preparation. After that, what he will do? Oh, now we have an idea now. Then, warning sign, lifting activity. Okay. Guys, this is a crane, right? What are you going to consider or you required to the crane?
Certificate.
Now you have an idea. You never let them do the lift without the certification. We will go back again to the certification. Certification of who?
Driver and the
Operator.
Operator.
Then,
mobile crane.
the mobile crane.
Mobile crane.
Then, the rigger.
The
Okay.
rigger.
Then, what
Third
else?
party sticker on the crane.
Right?
Valid-
What is the most important thing?
Driver's license, sir. Valid driver's license.
it is part of the operator.
Second.
Make it so that they can.
Yeah, in good working condition yun. That's the certification that they said. And then,
Verify inspection by
Sling, sir. Sling.
you got it. The lifting wears, right? The lifting. What are those? The sling, shackles, right? These are the things. Is it color coded? Yes. What color for this quarter? These are the things that you need to look at, especially you.
Blue.
Right? If it is blue, make sure all of them blue. Okay, clear. So you now, from the crane itself up to the rigger, you have your requirements. Okay. We have first step, preparing the work area. What should be the second step?
Identify.
Are we now for the lifting or opening this?
Barricade.
No, you have prepared it on the first step, right? He said about what's this plastic? Maybe this equipment, right? He started to open it and then we leave it there. So you will open this, right?
Yeah, we will clear the area.
It's already clear. You will open now this.
The load,
That is
sir.
your second step.
Load.
You're going to open the load or the equipment, whatever.
Hmm.
What are the hazards there?
Pulling. Oh.
Nasa baba, pulling.
Out.
Well, what are the hazards? Maybe nails? Maybe sharp object?
Yes,
Are they
yeah.
hazards?
Yes.
Yes. right?
Sharp object.
So, considering the hazard, you will go back down to control. What are you going to do? Use your hand to remove the nails? Use your hand to remove the wire? You have to wear what?
Gloves.
Gloves. And then, use hammer. Use,
And
what's
tools.
that? Scissor, no? What's that? Oh, hammer, whatever. Oh. That's the time you will open it, right? You have opened it. What is the third step? Lifting. Are you ready now for the lifting? Because we have opened it. Yeah, maybe.
Housekeeping.
So what is first, preparation. Second, opening the equipment. What is the third step now?
Shackles we will be fixing.
What?
Shackles and belts.
Okay. What part is that? Lifting. Oh, so we go now to the lift. Is that the third step?
Yes.
Oh, are you okay with that? Is it happy? Are you happy? Do we have the sequence? Right? Oh, no. In the lifting activity, what are the things that you need to consider? First is what?
Wind speed.
Mm,
Wind speed.
that is part of your hazard.
Load.
Load.
You got what? Hazard is the wind speed,
Load chart.
Load.
the load,
The load.
because we can never do overload.
Yes.
If you see the
Rubber
crane,
belts.
if you see the crane, right? You see there is
Fan.
like this, and then arrow.
Yeah.
Because of the load, right? So they will know because of the load the robot. And then their angle of lift. But that is part of your lifting plan. It is considered in your work permit at work activity. Right? Have you seen it? Oh, good. Now, we will go back now to what?
Lifting.
Lifting activity. Oh, what are the hazards there? The load falling, right?
Yes.
So, what is the answer?
Rubber belts.
Okay.
Well attached to the
Securing the load, right? Must be secured using the belt, shackles, whatever. Right? So this is your control to do the lift. And then,
Tagline.
taglines, rigger, whatever you like. This is part of your control. So, we have done the lifting activity. The weather is good. In your lifting, in your JSA, do not forget this. Because most of the time, you forget this thing. If the wind changes, you will put that on the last part of your control. If the wind change, 32 kph, all lifting activity stop. So meaning you have an idea. Once it reaches wind speed more than 32, alas, stop. There is always STOP. What is that STOP, pare?
Stop.
Stop.
Change of condition, right? Change of weather condition, unsafe activities, all of them will be stopped. Okay na. You have done the lifting from this area to that area. All people, nobody will enter except and this. Only the two of them. And then proceed the lift. Right? Oh, alas, lifting. What should be the fourth step? You will go now to your what? Removing all unwanted materials.
Housekeeping.
Said, right? Removing all, everything. And then, remember the first step that you have, preparation. On the last part, it's almost the same. Now you are going to remove everything that you have, including the frame. So just like 1, 2, 3, 4, then you will go back to just like reverse. Okay? Just like this. I will give you another example. Scaffolding activities. When you have the scaffolding activities, you will load the materials. Bring it to the whatever you want. What are the hazards? Mobile, exposure to sunlight. So these are the things that we need to consider here. Whatever hazards that you can identify, put it here. Because we never said about exposure to sunlight, no? So we can consider it here, especially that.
It's stress.
So let's go back again to the scaffold. Erection. You have done, completed the work. Now what are you going to do? Dismantle. Then moving out, bring it to your camp or whatever. Oh. I will ask you again. Is JSA hard or simple? Simple. No, this is These are the things. Remember, no? Select any job for analysis. Meaning, any activity, anything that you have, make sure you have the JSA. Break down to what? Forget about the step.
Sequence.
Then, identify the what? The hazard, safe action, whatever, and then corrective action. Is JSA hard or easy? Because you never done it. That's why you start.
Responsibility, that's why.
That's
Some of the responsibility.
So that's why we need the senior guys. Because they know the sequence of that. Because once you have identified the sequence of that step, JSA, just like a piece of like that. Okay, done. Remember this. JSA is only valid for 1 year. There's a validity. Because you need to evaluate again. Maybe we need to upgrade our JSA. Because of what? Changes. What's the other one? MOC. Are you familiar with the MOC? Management of change. Well, let's say, formerly, we are only using 220 volts of this equipment. Then suddenly, MOC come. Now, we are using 480. So what will happen now to my previous JSA? It is no longer valid because of the MOC. So that's why we need to review every time you will send. The problem with you guys, you will just grab the JSA and put it. Then, is it the same or not? Sometimes no. Right? Just like copy and paste. And this is the day. Remember, we have the toolbox, right? Every time before we start the work, we always have the toolbox. And the toolbox must compose or consist of what? The JSA. And his work permit requirement. Because most of the time, pare, this is what happens. I will have a JSA, I have the work permit, he will call only the guy. Oh, pare, we have the work permit. JSA included. Before 4 p.m., go back so I can close the work permit. What happened now to your document? Have we explained it to the guys? Or no? You should. Because if there is no explanation or no involvement of employees, what will happen? Accident can still happen to everyone. Right? Oh, okay. What should be your hazard checklist? You have the procedures, right? You have your SOP, method statement. Is your personal trained on how to do the job? Are all of them electrical? So these are the things that we need to consider. And lastly, when you say equipment, what are the things that you need before you allow them to use the equipment? Certification, right? Is the equipment in good working condition?
Yeah.
Everything must be in place before you let the job. But never forget, we need to explain it. Okay, do you have any question, gentlemen? Do you want an examination? Or just do it? Okay, is JSA hard for you? For you guys, yes. Because this is all guys are the one working with it. And they need this because of the work permit requirement. They need to evaluate the situation of the area before they allow their people. Okay, remember this. You can never be a superintendent. You can never be a supervisor. You can never be a manager without the people. If you don't know how to protect your people, all of them, you can never be a manager. Because your people is the one working for you. That's the only word I can give you. 2 years from now, I will be retired. Oh, okay. Is there any question? Is it clear to you? Okay. How about you, pare? Okay?
Clear.
Everybody sign the attendance sheet.
Yes.
Oh, what are you waiting for? No coffee today, huh? It's Thursday. You have to go, pare.